It is the clash among the richest Homo sapiens in the planet. Yes, you are right. Amazon's Jeff Bezos face head-to-head to Reliance's Mukesh Ambani. And the reason behind all of this is Future Group's Kishore Biyani. Hello everyone, this is Prashant Nair and you're watching Samvad. The richest person on this planet, Jeff Bezos, who is the founder of the Amazon Group, has filed a lawsuit against Future Group led by Kishore Biyani. And the reason is Kishore Biyani's Future Group has been on the verge of being sold to Mukesh Ambani's Reliance. So what's the big deal about it? Let's discover, let's decipher what are the big things involved in the same. The lawsuit filed by Jeff Bezos says that Kishore Biyani cannot sell the Future Group to Mukesh Ambani's Reliance, and this case was filed in Singapore. And the reason is because it was last year in 2019 that Amazon has purchased some set of shares of Future Group in the discount coupons genre. And according to them, the deal cannot be done without the involvement of Amazon. Now the whole process which goes into the thinking is, why is Amazon bent upon in the Future Group? So let's look into the bigger picture. India, which is a 1.31 billion nation people country, India, which has a huge source of capital in it, India, which is considered as one of the most biggest retail shops in the whole world, big players like Amazon and Reliance cannot give their hand up to become more and more richer. And this is the same reason why Jeff Bezos is bent upon in the Future Group. In the recent few years, Kishore Biyani's Future Group had ventured into various other new genres of business, which unfortunately came into a wrong path, and all of them are facing a huge loss. And this is the same reason why Future Group is on the verge of being sold to Mukesh Ambani's Reliance, and the deal had been already made in the month of August this year. Now comes the involvement of Jeff Bezos' Amazon company, stating that it was last year that Amazon company had purchased some stake of Future Group, of discount company of Future Group last year, and according to the rules and regulations, no other company apart from Amazon can Future Group make any deal. But in the statement said by Kishore Biyani, who is the founder cum CEO of Future Group, he states that according to the Indian foreign policy, no other foreign company can dictate and announce and can do any other major dealings apart from the own Indian company, because the majority of the rights remain with the Indian company and it depends on the Indian company, and the final decision goes with the Indian company and all the rights are with the Indian company, that is, here is the Future Group. So it depends on the Future Group whom it can sell its majority of the shares, and they have decided it's gonna be Reliance. The whole game is not about who is gonna purchase or who is gonna own the Future Group. The whole game is about who is gonna own the biggest retail business in the whole of the world, that is India. According to the reports, India is gonna surpass the United States of America and China when it comes to retail business. And Future Group has big brands, big retail brands under its name like the Big Bazaar and the Brand Factory. And Amazon has seen this as a golden opportunity to capture India's biggest retail venture. But Mukesh Ambani's Reliance is no less, and it has also seen this as a golden opportunity to capture the biggest retail business in the whole world and to be under the brand name of the richest people on this planet. Let's see who is gonna win this battle of the elites. नमस्कार मित्रों, मैं प्रशांत नायर, आप संवाद के साथ जुड़े रहिए। जय हिंद।